Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sally. For today's video, we're gonna do a clothing haul, a huge clothing haul by Ritera. I hope I'm saying that correctly. Ritera was nice enough to gift me everything here for an honest review. Ritera is a plus size clothing brand. You can find them. I believe they have an app. I found them online just browsing through, I don't know, Instagram, and then I got a little pop-up. But yeah, I'm really excited. I got a couple dresses, a couple tops. So I want to really show you. I'm actually very excited by this specific dress in particular. I really want to get into it because it is so freaking cute. So without further ado, let's go ahead and tune into that clothing try and haul. Okay guys, so like I said, Ritera is a plus size clothing brand. I believe they have everything from XL to 4XL. It is on the price side, it is more affordable. Am I twisted? Am I crooked? Hold on. Let's fix you. Is that better? I actually think that's a lot better. Okay, I did fix you. Sorry that I was crooked in the beginning. Anyways, I do want to get into this dress because it honestly seems like the cutest dress for the fall season. Oh my god, I'm so excited for fall. Are you guys excited for fall? Now that all the Halloween stuff is over, I'm excited to get into these cute fall clothing right before the holiday. Even for the holiday, you're going to be able to find really cute dresses and, you know, party attire on the site. And I believe they're doing an early Black Friday deals, so if you want, go ahead and shop around because you're going to find all those early Black Friday deals. I believe everything's up to 70% off. Look at how cute this corduroy dress is. Do you see this? It has cute little accent buttons and it is on the midi length. Look at how beautiful the pattern is. That's so pretty. I am so excited for this. So this is the Allover floor print straps pocket short dress, and I think it's just so cute, specifically how the model is wearing it. I think I'm just gonna get it like a white long sleeve, or maybe I just won't wear anything under. I think it'll look cute regardless. I'm very excited to try this out. Honestly, this material is very soft. It's not as flexible. It's not as super stretchy because it is that corduroy material, but they do have many different sizes. So let's go ahead and try it on. You cannot tell me this is not the cutest thing that you have seen. This, I even put it up to the very top. Put it up to the top. There was 3 holes. It was right here, but it fit me very long. Actually, let me take off the heels so I can talk to you. Look how much shorter I am without the heels. But it fit me very long, so I shortened it down. It has pockets. OMG. Look at this, is adorable. This corduroy is so soft too. It moves with you. You see how short it is? I can be like, bam, bam. I can kick someone because I have room. Bam. So that's cute. This is adorable. You can wear it with any top. I just wear it with a little white tank top. Sorry, little t-shirt top. This is the back of it. That looks in the back. I am obsessed with this. Let's see. Okay, let me flip you a little bit. Isn't this so cute? Let me put some heels on. Make it more aesthetically pleasing. I mean, this is adorable. This is cute. Oh, I'm obsessed with this. This is a 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. 10 all around. So next we got another pink dress. I think this one is also going to be perfect for the fall time because it is super long. So as you can see, this to me screams more like, this is kind of like you know, like a Disney princess in a way. Those dresses before they get swooped up by the Prince Charming. It does have a long sleeve on it. The long sleeve is ruched. So you see there, the sleeve is ruched. It is very comfy. It does have this tie material where you can tie it up, or you can tie it into a cute little bow, and it is long. I don't know if you can tell, but it is long. Oh, and there is something underneath. Yes, so it has a whole layer underneath. So you know those dresses that are very thin? This is not. It has a decent layer underneath, a decent layer on top to keep you warm. You can wear this with cute Western boots. I think this is really cute. Pretty cranberry color. Perfect for the fall time. This is a maxi dress. So on here, this is a drawstring stylish V-neck sheer sheared maxi dress. They go up to 5XL. I'm so sorry, I thought I said 4XL. So it goes from XL, which is 14-16, all the way up to 5XL, which is size 28. That is very, very inclusive. I really like that. And they do have side guides on there. They also show you how to style it on there. So like I said, that she did get some cowboy boots. I thought this would be really cute with some cowboy boots. And she has it tied. It's a really, really pretty dress. I'm hoping it's not that long because I am on the shorter side. So I'm hoping that it's just going to be perfect like length for me. So let's go ahead and try it on. Okay, do we see this? Look at how beautiful this is. This color, this cranberry color, fits me perfectly on the sleeves. This is how the sleeves look like. And honestly, I'm not wearing a bra, so hopefully you can't. Let me see. Hold on. I have my pads that I always put in because you never know. Some nasties on the internet. And look at how the ruched is. I didn't know what to think of this like material, but it's so well thought. It's so constructed beautifully, so elegant. Like the material is so non-itchy because I've been trying on some clothes. I'm gonna tell you they're itchy. This is not. This material is so like luxurious. It feels amazing. So soft, so linen-y, and it has 2 layers so you can stay warm. Oh, it's so pretty. I love it. Let me put you back more so you can see that. Oh, this is so cute. And you can see the whole thing. Oh, this is with heels, okay? This is with heels. Obsessed. This is cute. This is very cute. I like it. Okay, next we got this cardigan. This cardigan is so thick, so heavy. I know it's gonna keep you so warm. This to me is more like a 60s, 70s inspired with the flowers on it. It has flowers all over the arms and on the chest side as well. See, and it is super thick, fuzzy material, super fuzzy on the flowers. Very, very pretty. Everything I did get size XL. I forgot to mention that, but everything is in a size XL. This one is stretchy, so it's gonna fit multiple body types, and it does have the big buttons in the front. And it has pockets because I love it when things have pockets. I hate it when you don't add pockets to stuff. It irritates me. I love pockets. Honestly love pockets. So this, ooh, you could have got it in a white too. I got it in a black. The black one is cuter though. This is the floral print button down pocket cardigan sweater in black. You could have also got it in a creamy white. Again, it goes from XL to 5XL. Very, very cute. It is on sale for the early Black Friday. So if you like this, go ahead and get it before it sells out. Let's go ahead and try it on. And then we have the cardigan. Look at how cute this cardigan is. It's adorable. It's adorable. Get all the little fuzzy flowers on it. It's so like, hello? Where did I get all the string from? It's so like 70s and 80s. It's super, super long. It does cover the butt. But then at the same time, you can button it up, button it all the way. You can leave it out like this. See, or you can leave it open. That's cute. Yeah, let me know what you think about this. I think this is adorable. Before I continue, I do want to let you know that all of the clothes is going to be linked down below in the description. Let me know so far what your favorite dress is. I got another dress, another sweater. We're going to go ahead and round out this video. But so far, the quality is super nice, super, super thick. I really like it. Okay, next is this dress. This corduroy dress would look so freaking cute. So then we got this brown dress. I mean, look at how adorable this. Do you see how adorable this is? It has the corduroy, it has overalls, it has the stitching of the flowers in there. See the stitching of the flowers? It looks so pretty. And it is on the I want to say midi length, like it will go to my knees. And it's just kind of like a bubble dress at the bottom, which is so freaking cute. And at the top it's more cinched in. It does have the buttons over there, and then of course the overalls. That is the back of the dress. That's the end of the dress. It's adorable. This is the adjustable floral print suspender knit dress suspender. I think this is more like overalls rather than suspenders, but they're still very, very cute. It goes from XL to 5XL. This one is on sale. Go ahead and grab it, ladies, if you like this dress. I think this is gonna be a winner. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Let's go ahead and try it on. I don't even have to say anything. You already know what I'm gonna say. This is cute. Look at this. It is so pretty. Oh my god. You know what I feel like? I feel like those ladies in Oktoberfest that's gonna serve you a beer, because this stuff is like yodelay, 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 you know, kind of thing. Like they're gonna serve you a kind of beer. That just came into my mind. But this corduroy thing, so pretty. It has the embroidered buttons. It does have the overalls, which you can take on and off, so they are completely functionable. So if you just want to wear one, you can be a rebel and only wear one. Obviously it's cuter with more, and you can adjust it too. So if you want to make it longer, you want to make it shorter. I actually think I'm going to make it a little shorter. Maybe even. And I love all the embroidered flowers on it. Isn't it so pretty? Hello, I'm over here. There it goes. There it goes. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. This is cute. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm surprised. I'm shocked at how cute this is. That's the back of it. Okay, and then last but not least is going to be this white sweater. And this is just a beautiful off-the-shoulder knitted sweater. That is the knit material pattern right there. It is like kind of like a quarter sleeve, but to me it's still gonna be long because I have short arms. And you are supposed to wear it like this, like off the shoulder. And it's just this creamy white color. It's very, very pretty. See? The design is very pretty. Very, very pretty. So this is the solid hollow out Batwing cashmere knit sweater. Is that the Batwing? I think so. If not, this is the one that's similar to it. I don't think this is it. Is it? Which one is it? Okay, this one is XL to 3XL, and this one does come in different colors. You could got it in burgundy, tan, black, green, orange, pink, and white. And I got the white one because I like white. So yeah, let's go ahead and try it on. So here's the top. What do we think? This is honestly really cute. It's super, super long. So you see? So I'm French tucking it. I'm tucking it in my shirt, and then I'm kind of just flipping it out like this. And I think it's cute. It's slouchy. It has the Batwings. I did wear an undershirt. I don't know if you could tell, it's like my skin color. It's just a bandeau undershirt, and then it does have the holes everywhere. This is the back of it. It does cover the booty. Covers it nice. It does have the, what is it? The fraying at the end. It's a little weird. It's like zigzaggy, but other than that, I think it's cute. You can put it to this side. I don't like that side. I like this side better. Or you can put it to this side. You can French tuck it a little bit, make it cuter. See? Isn't this adorable? This is cute. I like this. This is cute. Okay, and that was all the items from Ritera. Let me know what you think. What do you think of these clothing brands? They are thick. They are higher quality. Don't forget that most of the items are going to be up to 70% off because of the Black Friday sale that is going on right now up to Black Friday. It's an early Black Friday sale. I'm pretty sure once you get to Black Friday, there's going to be more deals. Let me know what your favorite item was. Honestly, I really love the pink dress because that pink dress is just so freaking cute. But let me know what you think down below in the comment section. I would love to chit chat with you guys. Thank you so much for coming. Thank you for Ritera for gifting me all of these beautiful dresses and cardigans and sweaters. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe where you can find more videos like this. If you like my style, you like my vibe, I really do think you're gonna enjoy the channel. I have a lot of unboxings. I have a couple makeup items in here, but mostly unboxings. Clothing hauls is the huge biggest thing that I do here on this channel. So I do hope that you do like that type of stuff. You can go ahead and subscribe, like the video. It really does help out my channel out more than you know. And don't forget to click the little notification bell so you can be notified of all my future uploads. And I'll see you guys in the next video. I love you guys. Bye.